Sorry, babe. Just don't panic. The next one, over. Page 2. We might have to land in the field, I'm not even kidding you.
This is forced landing.
Yes.
Verify flight ring is engaged.
Got it.
Initiate ring engagement process, follow steps 11 to 14.
Okay, got it.
Fuel selector valve both checked.
Oh, we're getting some response.
You're lying.
What's go on?
There's a pass.
Go on.
Hate you.
Hun? Can you please tell me, can you keep reading to the steps, hun?
Will the pilot in command love the passenger forever? Check.
Keep going, babe.
Will you marry the pilot in command? Such an idiot.
Is that a yes?
I love you so much. Don't ever do that to me again!